guys, so I received my package today and I'm super excited. I semi-opened it because I noticed that it was double taped. I'm not sure if I can show you. Whatever, it's fine. I'm going to open it up now so I can show you guys. I'm so excited, you guys have no idea. Here it is. I got myself the oh my god, I can't, yeah, that just happened. I can't even right now. Okay, so this is the screen display, the navigation system. I am going to code this to my vehicle. Yeah, so I'm super excited to put this in my 04 Mini base, the R50. I cannot wait. It, in my mind, it's gonna look so amazing. I'm like out of breath right now because I want to work on this right now and I can feel my heart beating super fast right now. I'm just so excited. Yeah, you do need to code this into your Mini Cooper. So I will do that. That's all downloading on my laptop. And I want to work on this right now. I'm not gonna lie, but I do have to wait because it didn't come with the cover, sold as is, which is totally fine for the price. The cover with Mini Cooper is like 20 some odd dollars, which is fine. I'll get that later. But I do have to finish up the light project I have going on. Thanks so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, please. And I'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned. Miss Pink out. Bye.